Hi, I'm Bouchra from Brussels. I attended the Wagon batch 477. I'm now freelancing in brand and web development in Dubai. I really like the way Wagon bootcamp is structured. It takes you from the most simple parts of coding, and then slowly but surely you start to learn things that you can put together in order to build your own application. So the most challenging part for me was to not know what you're capable of until you actually build it. It's an amazing feeling to realize that you're actually capable of more than what you think. If you've been traumatized by coding like I was at university because the course is so theoretical and it's not really practical at all, this is entirely different. Wagon is accessible for anyone from any background. So yeah, just do it, take the jump.